Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Numan here, and today we will see how can we add a pause button in game. Okay, let's play the game and understand the scenario. So this is our game and we hit play and select the plane and our game started. So if we click on the pause button, then what will happen? Then our game will stop. Okay, so for example, if it's there, it will be there. Yeah, now you can see properly. So how it's work basically? So how we added the last in the last video we added a button related the game quit or the play button, or understand how can we add a simple button in the Unity game. So here we have a logic added. Basically we have a same button component added on the pause button, and we have a script added. Basically here, let me show you the script and the method that call is the on pause button click. Okay, so if we just see the on pause button click, here we can see. So this function calls, basically you not need to add that line, and maybe you not have that sound manager on your end. So basically you just need to make sure that you stop the time in the game, so your game not run in the back end. Okay, you have to make sure that. And after that, this is basically the game pause panel. This is the panel added here in the GUI manager, and we can see in the OBS manager this GUI manager, and we can see here we have a game pause panel. Okay, so whenever we click that button, this panel basically appear. Okay, so let's click here and see, right? And this is how we can do that. Or here we have another button, resume. So if we see the resume button, so we have a same logic added here, button component, and inside the add listener we have a on click method, the resume game. Okay, let's see the resume game here. So here you not need to add these lines. Basically you just need to add the time.timeScale equal to 1. What it will do, it will start the time on game. Basically your game stop when you use the timescale.0, and it will start playing when you use the timescale is equal to 1, and we make sure that pass panel equal to false. So this is how we added a game pause button inside the game. Okay, so it's very interesting. Basically this is overall game flow, so it will be a fun. Okay, we'll see you in next video.